In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, remove, and edit users from QuickBooks. Managing who can access your QuickBooks company is essential for accuracy, security, and accountability. I'll walk you through where to go, what to click, and a few best practice tips so you feel confident adding, removing, reviewing, and editing users. First, open QuickBooks and sign in. To make changes to users, you need to be signed in as an admin or a primary admin. If you don't have that level of access, you won't see the controls we're about to use, so check with your company admin if something seems missing. In the top right corner, click the small gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, choose Manage Users. This page is your hub for everything related to user access. You'll see a list of current users along with options to add, remove, review activity, or make edits. To add someone new, look for the Add User button on this page and select it. If you don't see it, that's a sign you don't have admin permissions. When you add a user, QuickBooks guides you through setting their access level and permissions. Take a moment to match their role to what they truly need. A good rule of thumb is to grant the least access required for their job. It helps protect sensitive areas like payroll, banking, and company settings. If you need to remove a user, return to the list of users and open the drop-down menu in the Actions area next to their name. Choose Delete or Remove. QuickBooks will revoke their sign-in access while preserving historical records of what they've done, so your books remain intact. This is helpful when team members leave the company or no longer need access. To review what a specific user has done, select View User Activity. This opens the audit log filtered to that user, letting you see key actions like transactions created, edited, or deleted. Use this when you're troubleshooting changes or confirming that tasks were completed as expected. To make adjustments to an existing user, open their entry from the same Manage Users page and edit their details or permissions as needed. After making changes, save to apply them. It's a good idea to let the user know what changed. They may need to sign out and back in to see the updated access. That's it. By using the gear icon, the Manage Users page, the Add User button, the Remove option in the drop-down, the View User Activity link, and the Edit controls, you can keep your QuickBooks access clean, secure, and up to date.